What's up, Wallet Monkeys? Welcome back to the channel. Let's talk about Synchrony Bank. Now, this is the major financial institution behind store cards. They have over 115 store cards, I think, right now, whereas Coinbase only has about 95 or 96, and a lot of people love these cards. Now, recently we were just talking about the benefits of using these cards because a lot of times they're soft approvals and they can help thin out your utilization if you're getting into trouble there to help raise your score. We've talked about using them strategically in other ways. We talked about how with the Lowe's card, you can actually go in, do the pre-approval, lock down your TransUnion and still get the card, right? But let's talk about the downsides here. Now, we brought up one of the downsides earlier this year. Synchrony is starting to pull multiple bureaus. They're getting outside of just pulling TransUnion. A lot of times, the first time through is they might pull multiple bureaus, right? Well, there's other issues to be discussed. And one of them, and this is one that I think a lot of people are ignoring, is that for no reason at all, they can just X your cards, meaning that you just wake up the next day and all your cards, the limits are locked, gone, done, bang. It's like you never existed. It's not a website glitch, and it's not just you going through this. I have no clue what actually constitutes this or what's the reason behind it. I just know that it happens. I've heard this by like 2 or 3 people now, and here's actually a thread pulled up from the FICO forums of this happening to somebody. All the cards, some of which had for many years, were in good standing when I went to bed, and they were all sitting at $0 balances, fresh round of monthly payoffs. When I woke up the following morning, all my accounts were closed. I logged into the account manager to see payments had posted, and to see listing of all my credit cards with 0 available credit for every single account. He thought it was a website glitch. He hard refreshed his page. But no, that's what happened. So look what he lost. He lost a $9K PayPal MasterCard. He lost a $10K Amazon store card. Yes, it can even happen to those. He lost a $10K Sam's Club card, a $2.5K Sam's Club card, the MasterCard, not the store card, so he had both. Walgreens, he had a card. Discount Tire Store, he had a $6K card. Lost all of them overnight. I mean, what is that? We're at 29, I mean, 40K? 40K in cards. Imagine just waking up and losing that off your credit profile. What's your utilization look like now? Does that throw that out of whack? Does that now put you into a bad position with your other loans? Because with a dramatic change like this, you can actually have banks start to call in loans on you. You can have credit card limits chopped. Like this might actually constitute, and this person might actually have a legal case here to go after them because of the damages that are now caused by something like this occurring. $40,000 just wiped off your credit profile like that? That's going to cause huge problems. I have no clue how these are going to show up as like closed or ended on the report itself, but all these limits are now gone. There will be a ripple effect and other collateral damage now because of this on this person's credit profile. This is horrible. This is really, really, really bad. So anyways, I share this with you as a warning. First off, don't go so nuts on store credit cards with Synchrony that it puts you at risk like this. Obviously, with any bank, they can call back the loan. They can chop credit limits. We've seen this with FNBO, other institutions, right? So make sure that you're diversifying enough and setting yourself up enough that you don't, if a situation like this occurs, it doesn't completely take you out. That's why I share something like this. Also, too, if you're a big fan of Synchrony, maybe you might want to change that position or at least limit your exposure with them. All right, that's all I got for you. I'd love to hear your comments below. Personal stories, if this has happened to you, I'd love to hear from you in the comments, maybe even highlight it in a future video. If you want this video to get in front of more people, I think everyone should know about this. Help me. Share this video or just click the like button. That does the algorithm thing, you know the game, right? And if you're brand new here and you like this topic, stick around, subscribe, hit the bell notification, turn it to all. Be on the lookout, more videos coming soon. See ya.